All by herself. May is playing and bouncing. Bouncing and riding the big old froggy. Fun. Good, bouncing May. Legs were a little too short, so we had to put a little cushion down below. And now that her legs said she's a happy camper. Yeehaw! Sweet bouncy. Silly little girl. Say hi. Say hello. Hi. Oh. Ooh, hello. Say hi, May. Say I love you all. Ooh, bouncing, bouncing.